Okay, I would just like to talk on some questions and the answers just to the point. You could be given a question like this that explain any four differences between a market economy and a state planned economy system, 10 marks. That's part A of the question, and part B says still and explain any four disadvantages of the price mechanism, 10 marks. In this case, we have to use some adjective to distinguish between the two. But before doing that, we need to make the examiners know that a state planned economic system is an economic system whereby resources are owned by the state, and it can also be called command or plan or authoritarian or socialist or communist economic system. Why the market economic system is an economic system where resources are owned and controlled by private individuals. That is, in this system, the questions of what, how, where, and for whom to produce are answered by private individuals. Now, in order for us to get that a good distinction, we'll take in terms of resource ownership. Now, in a market system, resources are owned by private individuals, while in a state planned economic system, resources are owned by the state or the government. The next will be government intervention. We realize that in a market economic system, there is little or no government intervention, while in a state plan, there is government intervention, total government intervention. We'll get back to their objectives. In a state plan economic system, the objective there is not to make profit, but to provide those goods which are essential for the welfare of the society. While for the market economic system, their objective is to make the highest profit possible. The next is in terms of choices. We realize that in a state planned economic system, the government is the one who chooses for the consumers or the citizens. While for the market economic system, the government does not intervene there. Rather, the consumers have the right to choose whatever they want to consume, or the citizens have the right to choose whatever they want to consume with respect to their purchasing power. So, if we could give all those things, then we have given out the differences between those two. Now, let's dive now into the next part of the question, which is stay and explain four disadvantages of the price mechanism. The price mechanism is also somehow being termed as a market economic system. So, in that market economic system or the price mechanism, we could define it to be a system of determining the price of goods and services and allocating resources in the market economy by the force of demand and supply. Now, it has the following disadvantages. The first is that of price instability. There is price instability, which is very common in that system. There is inequality in income distribution. There is production of harmful goods. There is negative externality like social cost. There is wasteful competition. And there is also the production of, in fact, there is no production of public and merit good.